Hey guys, if your MacBook keeps turning on by itself and it's starting to get annoying, then stick around because in this short video, I'm gonna show you how to stop that from happening. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, click on the spotlight search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then, type terminal in the search bar and open it when it shows up. Now, in the terminal window, type this command: sudo nvram AutoBoot equals %o, and hit enter. It'll ask for your Mac password, just type it in and press enter again. Once that's done, you can close the terminal window, shut down your Mac, and test it out. Next time, your MacBook shouldn't turn on automatically. You'll need to press the power button to start it up. Hope that helps. If it worked for you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Catch you in the next one.